I have agreed to give our allies a weapon that will aid them against Decepticon attacks. Escort the cargo to Nest headquarters. Our weapon cannot be allowed to fall into enemy hands.
Escort, this is Sergeant Epps riding shotgun on Cargo 37. It looks pretty quiet, but stay ready. Anything can happen. We've got a problem here. The road is blocked. Can you clear us a path? Thanks for the help. It's an ambush!
Stay close to the truck, Autobot. You've got to protect our weapon.
Another enemy eliminated.
Thanks for the assistance. Convoy, on the move. Come on, we're exposed out here! What the? Another roadblock?
Another enemy eliminated. Exception.
Get back to the truck. We can't lose that weapon.
Enemy contact.
Convoy, on the move!
You have Decepticon soldiers inbound. Your mission is to escort the truck, not... Good work. That should speed things up.
Took care of that. Moving out.
Guard the truck, Autobot. We can't afford to lose the Axiom.
It's an ambush! We are taking fire! This is Cargo 37. We're under attack.
I am IRONHIDE. Special weapon.
Back to the truck. The Axiom must be protected.
Convoy on the move.
Ambush. Protect the cargo.
This is Cargo 37. We're under attack. Moving out. Additional hostiles are still in the area. We can't move until it's safe.
Another enemy eliminated. Friendly busting some Decepticons.
Convoy en route. Can't move, it's not safe. The area's still not clear.
Stay close to the truck, Autobot. You've got to protect our weapon.
Your days are numbered now, Decepticon.
Thanks for the assistance. Convoy on the move.
Get back to the truck. We can't lose that weapon. Check your radar for possible shortcuts. Good work. That should speed things up.
Hostiles still in the area. We'll move when it's safe. Took care of that. Moving out. Escort, this is Cargo 37. The rabbit is in the hole. Repeat, the rabbit is in the hole. We'll take it from here. Thanks.
The convoy is safe for now. The Axion appears intact and operational.
With our advanced weapons safely in place, the humans will be better prepared for Decepticon attacks.
Just as long as they don't turn it on us.
To earn mankind's trust, we must give our own. Thus, our gift.
Well done. Time is a precious commodity in battle.
You are a true warrior, my friend. Well done.